To switch accounts on Google Gemini, this is the video for you, so simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to switch your account on Google Gemini. Now if you want to switch the account on Google Gemini but you don't know how to do it, then make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to any of it, then you won't be able to switch it. And also make sure that you have installed the Google Gemini app and also logged into your account. So this is the homepage of Google Gemini, where you will see the reception at the very bottom and also see the option of menu and profile icon at the very top right. So tap on the option of profile icon at the very top right, and the first option which you see is known as the switch account. So tap on it and also make sure that you are logged into various or multiple Google account of the same device. If you have not done that, then you won't be able to switch the account. So currently I'm logged into this account, so let's say if I want to simply switch to this account, then I just need to tap on it, and after a certain moment here, as you can see that I have already switched my account on Google Gemini. So that's it. That's how you can switch your account on Google Gemini. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.